gas line, they flagged it, they ran it underneath in the concrete.
Yep.
So what happens is the concrete will eat the copper, you'll get gas in the house, and the house will blow up. So we had to reroute the whole way around the house.
Now we're making sure that doesn't happen here, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. We got Frank, the king of plumbing, from King Plumbing. The man, the myth. Legend? Possibly.
Yeah.
We'll see. But he's getting us all hooked up. Ben, you got any plumbing facts for us?
Not today.
Not today. All right. Well, there you have it. We're going to get this inspected. It'll be pressure tested, and then we can backfill it, and we can start excavating for our patio. On the PVC, I've got 4 1x8s. 1, 2, 3. Well, we're gonna do a shadow board on the front, right?
Front, yeah, but on this side.
We're at 7 1/4. Figure we're coming down another 3/4. 1x10. Okay. No problem. And then what do you want to do as like our shadow board on the front?
1x4.
1x4.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can rip it smaller if need be, but 3 is good enough.
And we're just doing that on the gable, so there's 2 of those. Get that ordered. Got 5 rows? Yeah, 5 rows, so I figured 3 for that, because it's less than 10 feet. So we'll have an extra like 10 foot, 5 over here, that piece. And then that leaves us with...
Did you have this bar figured out?
I have this bar figured out, yeah. So we've
What
got...
about the other one?
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Good thing we had this conversation. No, I don't have that thing yet. Costa Kaya.
Okay. Kaya on top?
Probably Costa on top. Yeah, that way it goes over top of these.
Okay.
So we'll need a couple square edge.
Yeah.
Are we gonna fold it?
The world's ours at this point.
Fold it. All right, so I'll get 3 in case we get one bad one, because we can use a grooved one in the middle, but
True, yeah.
you know. Okay. 2 Costa square edge.
But how?
Deckorators, baby. Cool. Yeah, we got. I think we'll have plenty here. All right. Sick. Shorts, more Costco. My move with Costco is to just buy a bunch of stuff, and then because they don't have fitting rooms, but it's like not even worth it to return it if it doesn't fit. It varies. It varies, and I've been working out. Well, these are small, medium, large. These are medium. Inseam, I would say this is about a 9. This is looking like a 9er.
Usually I'm the one who goes there, but you went there.
Done. You grab the sockets. You grab the sockets. Thing goes down again. Might be time to get a new machine here. Coming really good at fixing it, I guess. TBD. Check fuel filter. We're working right on a golf course, and yesterday they had the mechanic working on a piece of machine here, and I said, hey, looks like you're working on a piece of machine there. I got a piece of machine here, and my piece of machine here is not working. So he gave me some advice, and I said, sounds like a fuel issue, so we're gonna check the fuel. It's got fuel in it. We're gonna get this figured out. We always do. We always do. Feet. 13 feet. But now we've got board on there, so. All right, yeah, then we can track this, and then I can start on this. Or maybe you can, I don't know. I'm kind of busy right now. Got our good old inspectors just here. Fail. We just need to put one more, it's all good if we can continue, but there was Frank wrote down 2 appliances on the permit, said 3, so we gotta put up a no one, put 1. An update says 1. No biggie, no biggie. Everything's all good, but gotta fill out another piece of paper. Like I said, we're good to continue. Been pressurized, it's tested, it's holding pressure for like 4 days now. So we're good. We can backfill and continue on. Looking good. It's always the paperwork that holds you up, you know? Hey. All right, I got a little bit more work to do, and then maybe I'll be out here.
Looking forward to it.
All right. Here you go.
Thank you.
Just a technicality. Just a technicality. There was only 2, they put 2 gas connections. There's 3 gas connections, but we just gotta put in an update for the permit, and there's 2 on the one, now we gotta put 1 on the next one. Pressure test went good, trench is good, we're good to backfill, we're good to keep going, but more of a technicality.
Okay.
Put them like out by the, where you got them?
I got the rock in my truck in my crank.
Oh, that's why I couldn't find them. I'm not scared. Yeah! Thanks. He was so scared. King remains the king. Don't be trying none of that on me, Tom. Remember, you come at the king, you best not miss. The wire.
I'm really now.
Get over here. I can't sit like this forever.
Yeah. Can you airdrop me something real quick? I need a clip.
Oh god, I'm stuck. Oh jeez. Oh god.
Airdrop me something real quick. I need a clip.
Oh jeez.
Places, people.
Where'd he go? Is that in here?
Ah! Ah!
it?
Yeah, that was it. I feel like an archaeologist a little bit. We have a coolant problem. It's getting too hot. It needs to be cool, like ant. Cool ant. Anyway, we got the radiator out. That was quite an ordeal. We have bolts scattered a lot of different places. We have hoses undone, but this thing, not a great design. There's no way to really clear this out. So this is like years of accumulated junk and, you know, dirt and grime. And I gotta get this out so that we can even expose the hoses. And I think we got a cracked coolant hose or something, because filling it up, it was running good. And then it would start again and it would start smoking. So that's not good. Who the hell's calling me? Did you get that?
A little ostrich peck.
Potential spam. This just goes and goes and goes. I don't even know how we're gonna get all this stuff out of here. It's just like, it's like fossilized almost. 6 years of dirt, grime, and muskrat hair, or whatever mechanics say. That was my mechanic's assistant. Took us like an hour and a half just to get the radiator out, and now we're able to see if we can see what's wrong. Worst case scenario, we get this cleaned out pretty good. God, it's so mucky. This is disgusting. Hopefully we get this figured out. Check back. And you know what time it is?
You either dingo or you ding don't.
Ding stop.
I was gonna say tip time for Tony. Now you got one. Dig deep. We need one. We need one there.
Hey Sean, what time is it?
Siri, what time is it?
Tip time with Tony.
Oh.
So I'm getting ready to install this Deckorators trim board, but we have these lags that the heads are sticking out, and it's causing my board to rock. I need it to sit flat on this beam. You can get your tape measure where the lag is, quick and dirty. Deckorators, nothing's gonna happen to it. It'll put an indent right where the lag is. Head to your router, route it out. Then just take your router, set your desired depth, and you can clean out the back of this material so that lag bolt doesn't get in the way. And remember, this is Tony's way, but Tony's way is the only way.
Well, it took us about 4, 5, 6 hours to get this thing all cleaned out. There was literally about 8 inches of disgusting sludge in there, but then we were finally able to see if we could figure out what was wrong. Lower radiator hose, we've got an abrasion, and that was what was making this so tricky. Is it was tucked all the way in there, and there was so much dirt and gunk and mud that it was like soaking up all of the coolant, so it wasn't an obvious leak. It was just kind of sitting in there, saturating the soil that was in there. It was disgusting. But figured it out. But this is a custom hose jobby here. So ordered a new one, paid for the expedited shipping. We need this thing like ASAP. We need to get this back running. So hopefully that's gonna come tomorrow. We can get this fixed and we can start on our patio. Well, looks like with that, it's time to go. And we will have to catch you on the next vlog where we are going to get into some swinging chairs on a custom arch. It's gonna be pretty sick. We're also going to be fixing that machine, hopefully. And we'll be getting our base done for our patio. We've got a lot of really cool little details. We'll also be doing some board folding. So make sure you tune in, hit subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living. How's the harvest shaping up this year? Got him again. Ah.